emaknya. Takut.
Let's go. Let's go home. Let's go home, baby.
What's going on? What's she doing?
To you, happy birthday to Eva. Happy birthday, Bumil.
Thank you.
Lihat, Bumil udah ready.
Come in.
Mikumis.
Thank you. Aku
Bukan.
nggak bisa cium ya.
Aku telat datangnya, jadi dia udah selesai pinter nih.
Sorry ya, berantakan ya. Maklum. Aku kalau dandan berantakan.
Sama. Dulu waktu aku latih itu loh, sampai pusing kepala. Oke, jadi sekarang kita mana? Oke teman-teman, sekarang kita mau lihat ke gigi-gigi. Nah, Mil. Oke, kita sekarang mau menuju ke tempat di maskot di dekat rumah Ani Bu RT. Kayaknya dia udah nunggu di sana. Mana Ubernya? 10 menitan dari sini. Jadi ini outfit Bumil. Apa namanya Bumil?
Brainstorm Skull.
Hah? Skeleton Skull Princess. Anaknya sampai takut. Ini emaknya. Nanti dia mimpi buruk.
Dicoba digodain terus sama emaknya, tetap nggak mau, takut dia sama emaknya sendiri. Kasihan banget, ketakutan. Dia ketakutan lihat muka-muka kita berdua balik dari sekolah. Tiba-tiba lihat muka emaknya begitu.
Dikasih susu juga kagak mau. Hey.
I'm the only one wearing white. Yeah. Let us in if you dare. Sukses.
This lady. Halo. Nah, jadi sebelum masuk satu-satu didata dulu ya karena masih dalam pandemi kan. Jadi kita harus scan dulu itu barcode tuh yang di depan pintu di handphone kita dan masukin data-data kita sebelum masuk satu-satu. This lady. Halo.
Rame banget. Itu ke sebelah sana belum kita.
Jadi ini pertama kalinya aku party lagi ya setelah sekian lama semenjak aku sampai di Australia. Sebab dulu kan tinggalnya di kota kecil. Nah sekarang di sini.
Halo Bu RT.
Ini Bu RT ya, masih cantik.
Halo Bumil. Halo, itu siapa? Yanti. Itu siapa?
So, Dina.
Aku belum masuk video. Halo semuanya.
Jelek, jelek paling jelek.
Wow.
Starting.
Harus di mute.
Beruntung sekali untuk saya karena makanannya bukan makanan bule semua. Ini ada sate, kayaknya restoran Bali namanya. Enak banget satenya. Lapar juga soalnya. Kuenya sekarang juga sekarang.
Kasih tahu nggak kita ini menang?
Iya. Bye everyone.
Everyone, bye bye. Ini namanya Epa. Bye bye everyone.
Dad, go get the door. Who's there? Who's there? Who's this? Who's this? Oh my goodness, who is this? There.
Are you still scared?
Hey Aiden, who's this? Who's this? Who's this? Who's this? Who's this? Look, that's mommy. Who's this?
Give me a kiss, give me a kiss.
Oh my goodness.
Be careful, Aiden.
Waiting for you to cook.
You didn't have any dinner?
Who's this one?
Hey, baby.
Who's this?
We have
Who's
the
that?
best custom. Look, we got pumpkin.
Oh, are you hungry? If you want something, we can get something.
You didn't have dinner?
Who's this?
I told you.
Who's this? Is this Mama? Who's that? Oh my goodness, who is this?
Nah, Dad.
Oh no. No.
You're so happy.
Here,
Who's
I
that?
give you this.
Who's this? You want to stay with me?
Churros.
You want to stay with me? You don't go with her. You stay with me. She's scary.
Why is it still on? Why is this still on?
Oh, yeah.
Minta tolong lihat sama laki ko. Baby, this is too far from him.
Why?
Later he fell down.
He wouldn't fall over. Not there.
Why you didn't remove his clothes?
Huh?
Why you didn't remove his
You
clothes?
don't want. Oh là là, Eva, what's wrong? If you're not happy, you do it, huh? Huh? Okay? Oh no.
Yummy.
Go home if you're not happy, huh?
Marah laki mo. Pamarahin.
Let's go. Let's go home. Let's go home, baby.
What's going on? What's she doing? What's she doing?
Minta tolong.
Go on, go with Mama.
Go with mommy.
Go home. Come on.
What's going on?
Enggak mau lihat. Look at this. He don't want.
Let's go home. Let's go home.
Go home. He's still hiding.
Hey, Dan. Dan.
Minta tolong sama laki ko.
Oke, sekarang aku mau didandanin ya.
Kaido nanti juga hilang.
Ini kayak gini hitamnya tuh, kagak hitam banget kau ini. Aku jadi rakon. Hapus lagi ya Allah.
Sih, coba lihat.
Iyalah.
Oke nggak sih?
Alah. Tuh, kalau ini kan putih.
Ya kenapa nggak dari awal?
Ini kamu katanya nggak bisa tadi
Ya, tapi kan nggak itu. Kalau kamu mau yang nggak itu ya nggak apa-apa.
Inilah foto-foto keseruan kita di party Halloween ya tadi malam. Seru banget pokoknya, sangat menghibur. Oke, see you next vlog. Jangan lupa like, comment, dan subscribe. Salam Sampurasun. Mwah.